Okay, so now I'm going to talk about one of the products that I'm most excited about, and it seems like the leaderites are also super excited about this product. Now I'm going to move on to the Urang? I never know how to say it. Urang. I'm trying to find the Korean. So Urang Brightening Blue Oil Serum. Brightening Blue Serum. It is actually blue. Ooh, it looks really cool with the light. It actually has like a light blue color from my perspective. I know it's a little bit darker in the camera, but this is actually an all natural oil. The color, the blue color, is from the German chamomile essential oil, and it is natural. The ingredients in here are 99.9% natural, which is awesome. And this one is a brightening, tone up, and moisture oil. So the main effect is brightening, but it will also help to even out any dark circles as well as bring moisture to your skin. You don't need a lot. And as I said, this is like a essential oil. So it's an oil serum. So you can kind of use it as you want. It smells nice. It has like kind of a floral scent to it. And it is an oil serum, so it does feel a little bit oily on my skin, but it will be really nice to bring some extra moisture and brightening effects to your skin. As I said, a little bit goes a long way. Honestly, you probably need like 2 or 3 drops of this. And so one thing I love about this brand is that they really take care to include natural and pure ingredients. This one will be up on Try Now, so set your alarms because it's going to go really fast, and it'll be on Tuesday, June 26th at 12 p.m. So be sure to follow the brand on 08 Liter on the app. Okay guys, we have more awesome products to talk about. Next up, I'm going to talk about the Beauty Kitchen Watermelon Lip Savoring Gel Mask. It really does smell like watermelon, and this is a lip sleeping mask. This one is a light gel, and it'll just help to retain moisture and just make sure that your lips are nice and healthy and plump and well hydrated. You get a lot of product. This will go a long way. And as I said, it is wonderful for soothing dry lips. And I like to put sleeping masks on at nighttime. So after your skincare routine, then I just finish up with a lip mask. So now that I use a lip sleeping mask, I never have issues with my lipsticks, which is awesome. So definitely recommend lip sleeping mask. This one from Beauty Kitchen is awesome, and it will be up on Wednesday at 4 p.m. on June 27th. Okay, you guys are already talking about it, so I will talk about it too. This is, we have a special facial massage infrared light system beauty device, and this is the Cozcore. This is it's an electronic device, and it has 4 different modes to it. So it has this like little case covering, and then you would turn it on. So this one has 4 different modes, as I said. That one is also a wonderful device, but this one is actually a step up from that one because it heats up. That one did not have a heating function, but this one does. So it will actually heat up your skin and help to like smooth everything out. It's so nice. And this one, so to start off, we are going to have it for try free, and it will be up on Thursday. So you have 72 hours to apply. So the first mode, okay, it has to heat up. It takes about, I think a minute to heat up. And this is, so there's a heating mode, a brightening mode, like making these little flashy noises, and each setting has a different light that goes with it, and I think it's like $140, $150. It's really high-end beauty device, And yeah, there's a heating mode with white color therapy, and it is heating up, so my skin, like it has a warm feel to it, which is nice. There's also the brightening mode. It has kind of a micro vibrations, galvanic technology, and green color therapy. And then there's an anti-aging mode. And a lot of times what they recommend is that if you have any like serums or oils, you could use like the Urang oil and use it at the same time. It'll really help to allow those serums and essences to really penetrate your skin. Okay, I have makeup on right now. Usually you would use it after you wash your face, and then you kind of like incorporate it with your skincare routine, but it feels too good not to put it on the face. So I think you could, I don't want to like rub my makeup off with it, so I'm just kind of like touching it to my skin, but you guys can figure out how to use it the best way. Now the brightening, so I changed it modes. So these things help with circulation of your skin. It also helps with absorbing the products that you use. So it's really nice. It's like, so the vibrations changed. It's like vibrating in an interesting way. And it's a try-free campaign, so you have 72 hours to apply, and it'll start at 8 p.m. Now, what else do I have to show you? Okay, so this is a brand from Den. And last week, 2 weeks ago, he brought us this special cereal. It's a health cereal from Auno grain or Auno cereal, and it has like very little sugar. It had cane sugar, and actually this time we are actually bringing you guys just sugar. So it's Auno Sugar, and it's a healthy alternative to regular plain white sugar. So it is, see if you can see the actual sugar down here. It's in an easy sealable bag so that you can just use it as you'd like. It is not coconut sugar. It is actually organic sugar from Colombia, and it's cane sugar is really what it is. So this is a great, if you are into healthy eating, healthy lifestyle, this is a great alternative to try. And you get a lot of product in here. It's 320 grams of the Auno Sugar. June 26th at 10 p.m. for try now. The one more product I want to talk about is the try-free we have on Tuesday as well, and this is with Manyo Factory, one of our long-term partners, and seems to be one of the Leader Right favorites. And we actually have 100 products, but they're try-free, so not everyone can get it, but you have a good chance of being selected. Usually we only have maybe 30 or 50 products, but this time it is 100 products on try-free. It's the galactomyces niacin serum, and we've had this up on 08 Liter before. A lot of people really enjoy this product, and we're excited to bring it back, this time try-free, so that more people have the chance to try it out. So galactomyces niacin serum from Manyo Factory will be up starting on June 26th. So that's Tuesday at 8 p.m. and it's try-free. So it will be up for 72 hours for you to apply. Do not miss it. This product really helps to boost skin elasticity and vitality. So it'll just help to recharge and refresh your skin. Yeah, everyone has been doing such an awesome job with their reviews. I love reading your reviews and just being up to date. So really exciting. Hope you guys have a wonderful night. How do you become an influencer with our company? So the way that it works is that please go to 08liter.com or download the 08 Liter app on the App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android, and you can register on the platform. And we also have two types of campaigns, try free and try now. So try free, those campaigns, anyone can apply. But it is random selection, so only a select number of products are available, and you're not sure if you'll be able to be selected. But if there is, thanks guys, Yeah, this watermelon thing, not so great. But yes, if it's try now, you can apply as soon as the campaign starts, and for $3.99 trial fee, you'll be able to test out the product. And all of these try now and try free, it is in exchange for an honest review from you. And it's a review that must be posted on social media, either Instagram or Facebook, as well as the 08 Leader website. So please be sure to send us a message at customer service if you have any further questions. You can also DM us. The app is called 0.8L. So thank you guys so much for watching. There was a lot of products here to go through today. I can't wait to see and cheer you guys on as you apply for these products. And I will see you on Thursday night at 9:30 p.m. for another Instagram Live. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful night.